biogroup. Today, next life process is the respiration. What do you mean by the respiration? Respiration is a biochemical process of the enzyme mediated stepwise breakdown of the organic compound called respiration. Means respiration as a biochemical process in which the organic material such like the glucose break down in the simplest form and release with the utilization of the oxygen and release energy in the form of ATP. This some chemical process is known as the respiration. Called substrate and release energy in the form of ATP. C6H12O6, that is the glucose and oxygen utilized to oxidize the substrate glucose and in presence of the enzyme break down glucose into CO2 and H2O and release 38 ATP out of 686 kilocalorie or 287 kilojoule energy are released. This whole process is known as the respiration. Of how many kinds of the respiration, means types of the respiration? Respiration, there are two types of the respiration. First is the X respiration. X respiration means बाह्य respiration, बाह्य श्वसन या निःश्वसन, बाह्य श्वसन, the exchange of the respiratory gases over the respiratory surface of the alveoli to external nostril called X respiration. X respiration means there are as a balloon like structure in the lungs. From alveolar sac, the release of the gases outside of the lungs known as expiration. And inspiration, second is the inspiration, means exchange of the gases at the tissue level called inspiration, means through the alveolar sacs in the lungs. There are 300 alveolar sacs present in each lungs, through which oxygen are taken outside of the atmosphere and diffused through the alveolar sac and reached into the blood and bind to the hemoglobin, that is called as oxyhemoglobin, and oxygen supply the rest tissue and cell of the whole body. This process is known as inspiration. Thank you.